Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. Ed Sheeran, and this time Stop the Rain. So this one is a cool song with a cool attitude into it. And yeah, 5 chords, pretty much a cool strumming pattern that goes through the entire song here. So let's start with the capo on the first fret. We have these 5 chords. Let's start with the B minor first, like that. So you need to bar the second fret here from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next is G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And we have A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And E minor. So E minor starts with open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally the D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we need to look at the strumming pattern right away, and that will be pretty easy. It's only down, up for this first verse here. So the chord progression will be B minor, G, A, and E minor. You're gonna play 2 rounds of the strumming for each chord. So B minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That is 2 rounds. Then G, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 2 rounds. A, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and E minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it will sound like this. Yeah, so only down, up. Very easy. This chord progression, B minor, G, A, and E minor, will be for 4 rounds, and that is the first verse. Then comes the pre-chorus. Don't let the ones who hurt you see you cry. That's where we are in the lyrics. So we're gonna start that with 4 rounds of the G, still the same strumming there, down, up. So 4 times G, 4 times A, 4 times E minor, and 2 times A, with this break afterwards. So let's start with G, A, E minor, and final A. There are only 2 rounds, otherwise 4 rounds. Let's go. Sorry, 4 rounds only. Okay. So that's it, and then we have the chorus. Now we will change the strumming a bit. It goes pretty much the same, but we will add a clap into it and prolong it, so to speak, with this clap afterwards. The chord progression will be still B minor, G, A, and E minor. All right, so that will be the chord progression here, but now the strumming will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so we'll play that, exactly that, and nothing more or less for each chord. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then G, down, up, clap, up, down, up. A, clap, up, down, up, E minor, clap, up, down, up, E minor. Down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, A, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, E minor. Yeah, so this chord progression, again, 4 round, and that is the chorus. Then we have this post-chorus. It starts, yeah, you're gonna play the chords here, the B minor, G, A, and A again, so 2 times A. And on the second round, the second and final round, in this post-chorus, it will be B minor, G, A, and E minor. So B minor, G, A, B minor, G, A, E minor. So how are we gonna handle this? The first 2 chords will differ from the rest. You will hit just 1 down, clap on the B minor, and the G, same there, 1 down, clap, and then starts this down, up, clap, up, down, up on the rest. So on A, you would do that for 2 rounds since it's A, and then you start all over again with this down, up, clap, up, down, up with B, G, A, and E minor. So slowly it will be like this, starting with B minor. Right, and that is the post-chorus. Then comes the second verse here, and it's played in the same way as the first verse, and the same goes here with this pre-chorus. It's the same chords there, but it will change a bit from the other strumming here. It will be 1 round of the strumming. Yeah, actually it's played in the same way. Sorry, it's played in the same way as the first pre-chorus there. I looked at the wrong part of the song here. So that is played in the same way. And the same goes with the second chorus there. Played in the same way as the first one. And that is the case even with this post-chorus. Then comes a bridge part after this second post-chorus. And the lyrics we are at, and it seems like the time can be so much more than a wake-up call. Okay. So you will play there the E minor, and then comes the G, and then comes the D, and then comes the A. You will play that for 2 rounds, so E minor, G, D, and A, okay? And for this one, the strumming will be down, up, clap, down, up, clap for each chord here. Except from the last chord, the last A, you will only play that for down, up, clap. Okay? And then comes a small pause after it. So the E minor starts like this. G, down, up, clap. D, down, up, clap. And A, down, up, clap. And E minor again. G, and A, and pause. Okay, so 2 times of the down, up, clap for each chord, except from the A in the end 1 time. And then comes the final chorus. It will be played in the same way as the other choruses. The only difference here is you're gonna play it like twice as much. You're gonna do 2 choruses right after each other. Otherwise, play in the same way. And then comes a final post-chorus there. It will play the 4 rounds here of the B minor, G, A, and E minor. So the same chords there as the other post-choruses there. And you will play that in the same way. So you will just duplicate it. So since the other post-choruses has only 2 rounds of the B minor, G, A, and E minor. This one has it for 4 rounds, okay? And then just on this last part of this post-chorus here, the same chord progression there, the B minor, G, A, and E minor, you will play only 1 down and 1 clap for 2 rounds of this chord progression. So that this post-chorus here, it ends with only down and clap for 2 rounds. So B minor, G, A, and E minor, and the final round B minor, G, A, and E minor. And that ends this song, Stop the Rain by Ed Sheeran. So if this was helpful for you, please let me know and see you soon. Don't forget guys, play tune.